Have you ever wondered if your body needs a detox? Maybe you've been feeling sluggish, bloated, or just not like yourself. Advertisements will tell you the answer is in expensive detox teas, juice cleanses, or miracle powders. But here's the truth. Your body is already equipped with an incredible detox system, led by your liver, your kidneys, and your digestive system. The problem isn't that your body doesn't know how to detox. It's that modern lifestyles, processed foods, and constant stress overload that natural system. The good news? Nature has already given us foods that support our body's built-in detox process. And today, we're going to uncover those everyday foods that can cleanse, restore, and recharge your system. Let's start with the king of natural cleansers, lemon. This citrus fruit might seem simple, but it's one of the most powerful detox tools you can use. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a natural antioxidant, and they help your liver produce more enzymes that flush out toxins. Every morning, drinking a glass of warm water with fresh lemon juice helps reset your digestion, hydrate your cells, and kickstart your liver. It's one of the easiest ways to wake up your body naturally, without caffeine. Another super detox food that's probably already in your kitchen is garlic. Now, garlic isn't just for flavor. It's a powerhouse of sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes. These enzymes are what help your liver break down and remove toxins from your bloodstream. Garlic also has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, which means it doesn't just detox your liver, it also strengthens your immune system. To really get its benefits, crush a clove of raw garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before using it in food. That's when those powerful compounds are activated. Now let's talk about something golden, turmeric. This spice has been used for centuries in natural medicine, especially in India. The active ingredient, curcumin, is a strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Turmeric protects your liver from damage, helps it regenerate, and boosts bile production, which is crucial for breaking down fats and carrying toxins out of the body. A simple way to use it? Add half a teaspoon of turmeric to warm milk with a little black pepper. This golden milk is not only soothing, but also deeply cleansing. But your body also needs foods that clean the blood and kidneys, and that's where beets come in. Beets are rich in nitrates and betalains, compounds that support blood flow and help the liver filter toxins more efficiently. They also boost the production of glutathione, your body's natural detox chemical. Drinking beet juice or adding roasted beets to salads is a tasty way to support your body's cleansing system. Speaking of cleansing, let's not forget the power of leafy greens: spinach, kale, parsley, and arugula. These greens are packed with chlorophyll, which helps bind to heavy metals, pesticides, and toxins in your body, carrying them out safely. They also alkalize your system, reduce inflammation, and nourish your cells with vitamins and minerals. A green smoothie with spinach, apple, and lemon is one of the simplest detox drinks you can make at home. And here's one you might not expect: cucumbers. They're not just water-filled snacks, they're natural kidney cleansers. Cucumbers help flush out uric acid and support hydration, which is key to detoxing. Now let's move to ginger, another root with incredible detox powers. Ginger stimulates digestion, helps your stomach empty faster, and reduces bloating. But more importantly, it improves circulation, helping toxins move out of your system more efficiently. A warm ginger tea or adding grated ginger to meals can give your body that extra push it needs to cleanse naturally. One of my favorite detox foods is green tea. Unlike sugary drinks, green tea is rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that protect the liver and improve its function. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea a day helps your body stay hydrated, boosts metabolism, and gently supports detoxification. Now, detox isn't just about what you add, it's also about what you avoid. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and too much alcohol overload your liver, making it harder to do its job. By replacing some of these with natural detox foods, you're not just cleansing, you're protecting your health long-term. Let's take a moment to talk about fiber-rich foods like oats, apples, and flax seeds. These don't just fill you up, they help sweep toxins out of your digestive system. Think of fiber as a natural broom for your intestines, binding waste and carrying it out. A bowl of oatmeal with flax seeds and fresh fruit is more than breakfast. It's a detox meal. But here's something many people overlook. Detoxing isn't a one-time event. You don't need to starve yourself for 3 days on juice cleanses. Real detox is about supporting your body every single day with foods that work with your system, not against it. It's about daily choices that build long-term health. So here's the big takeaway. Lemons, garlic, turmeric, beets, leafy greens, cucumbers, ginger, green tea, and fiber-rich foods are your natural detox allies. They're affordable, accessible, and safe. You don't need fancy powders or expensive teas, just real food. As you listen today, think about this. What's one detox food you can start adding to your meals today? Maybe it's a warm lemon water in the morning, a salad filled with greens at lunch, or a soothing cup of ginger tea before bed. Small changes make the biggest difference when they're consistent. If you've ever tried lemon water, green tea, or even golden milk for detox, drop a comment below and share your experience. Your story could inspire someone else. And if you found today's talk helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss another natural health tip. This is Inspiration and Health Zone, where we bring you wisdom for everyday wellness. Stay tuned, because in our next episode, we'll dive deeper into foods that boost your energy naturally without caffeine.